Next, let's continue the other inscriptions of Satavahana dynasty. Maikadoni inscription, which was issued by Pulamavi III. This tells about the fall of Satavahana kingdom. This Maikadoni inscription was found at near Ballari in Karnataka state. Maikadoni inscription tells about Gulmi and Gulmika. Gulmi and Gulmika are a group of villages were called Gulmi. Head of Gulmi was Gulmika. A group of villages were called as Gulmi and head of Gulmik was known as Gulmika. Gulmika also acted as army chief in boundaries of villages. All this we get to know through Maikadoni inscriptions which was issued by Pulamavi III, last ruler of Satavahana kingdom. Next, Amaravati inscription which was issued by Pulamavi II. Amaravati inscription was issued by Pulamavi II. In this inscription, Nagabu, the Telugu word, first time appeared here. Next, Kanheri inscription. This inscription was issued by Krishna Satavahana. He was the first Satavahana king to issue inscriptions. He engraved Nasik and Kanheri caves. Kanheri inscription, Krishna Satavahana. Krishna Satavahana is also known as Kanha Satavahana. Next, Atigumfa inscription. This inscription was issued by Kalinga ruler Karavela. He invaded Musika city of Satavahana during Satakarni I. We get to know about all this through Atigumfa inscription which was issued by Kalinga ruler Karavela. Next, Junagadh inscription, which is also known as Girnar inscription. This was issued by Rudradama in Sanskrit language. He defeated Pulamavi II two times. Due to fear of Rudradama, Pulamavi II changed the capital from Pratistanapuram to Dhanyakatakam. This inscription tells about administration and ministries of Shatavahanas. Junagadh inscription issued by Rudradama. Next, Battiprolu Nigamasabha inscription, which was issued by Kubera. Battiprolu Nigamasabha inscription issued by Kubera. In this inscription, about Nigamasabhas was mentioned, which refers to town administration of Satavahana's period. Next, Chinaganjam inscription issued by Yagnesri Shatakarni. By this, we completed the inscriptions of Satavahana dynasty. I have covered all the points in very clear explanation.